Hello everyone, so today we're going to tackle about FSM or finite state machine. So let's think of an example. Our example is a vending machine. A vending machine. First, I'll define the states idle, has money, and dispensing. Next, I'll list the inputs. So we have here our vending machine diagram. Our state are idle, has money, and dispensing. Now we will put our input. So the machine starts at idle. So let's start from idle. We start inserting the coin. Now, after inserting a coin, idle will transition to has money. Now, from has money, our next input is select product. After selecting product, from has money, it will transition to dispense. Now, if you already select a snack, it will transition to dispensing. After dispensing, it will go back to idle. And that's how transitions work. This is a finite state machine example of a vending machine. The machine has three states, which are idle, has money, and dispensing. In the idle state, when a coin is inserted, the machine moves to has money. Now, from has money state, if the user make a snack selection, the machine transitions to dispensing, which is dispensing. So, from dispensing state, once the snack has been dispensed, the machine returns back to the idle state. Now, the idle, our input for idle, for example, is S. Since we don't have a snack yet, when the state is still on dispense, our input is 0. Now, once we insert a coin, it transitions to has money. And once we selected a product, our input is going to be C. Since we inserted a coin, now we have 0, 1. Now from has money, we will transition. The state is now transitioning to dispense. Once we select a product, our input for dispensing is D. And now we have a snack, so that is equivalent to 1, 0. After dispensing, once the snack is dispensed, it will go back to idle, which is 0. Now let's make a table. Since we have 3 inputs, we will write S, C, and D. That is our inputs. Now, we were going to write the state. Okay. So our current state is idle, which is 0, 0, and next one is has money, which is 0, 1. Our next state is dispensing. Now we will write our next state. Okay, so from idle, inserted a coin. Now it has money. Our next state is has money. Now from has money, it transitioned to dispense. Now we have a snack. After dispensing, it will go back to idle. Now we have 0, 0. So immediately we can see how this truth table, which represent a transition between states, I can now add the value of an output which is going to encode the proper bits such that this vending machine works. In this case, we have here output, idle. Idle has 0, 0. Has money 0 since we still have no snack yet, and dispense, after dispense we have now a snack. So these are our outputs. So basically we have here a truth table, at the same time is telling us how to make a transition from one state to another. And this is the definition of finite state machine. Thank you for watching.